Stairs are one of the oldest and most important inventions in human history. They help people move between different levels of a building or place. Stairs seem simple, but their design and use have changed over thousands of years. Let's explore the history of stairs from ancient times to today. The story of stairs begins in prehistoric times. Early humans lived in caves or simple shelters and did not need stairs. However, as people started building homes and villages, they needed ways to reach higher places. The first stairs were not like the ones we know today. They were often just piles of stones, logs, or dirt slopes that helped people climb hills or enter raised homes. These early steps were uneven and rough, but they worked. Around 6000 BCE, people in ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt began building more advanced structures. They created ziggurats, which were tall, stepped pyramids used for religious ceremonies. These structures had wide, flat steps that people could climb to reach the top. In Egypt, pyramids like the Step Pyramid of Djoser, built around 2630 BCE, used large stone steps. These early stairs showed that humans could build strong, permanent steps for important buildings. In ancient Greece, around 800 BCE, stairs became more refined. The Greeks built beautiful temples and theaters with carefully designed stone stairs. These stairs were not only practical but also looked elegant. They used math to make steps even and comfortable to climb. The Greeks also built outdoor staircases for public spaces, like the steps leading to the Parthenon in Athens. These stairs were wide and grand, showing the importance of the buildings. The Romans, who ruled from around 500 BCE to 476 CE, took stair design to a new level. They were great engineers and built roads, bridges, and huge buildings like the Colosseum. Roman stairs were strong and made of stone or concrete. They used stairs in public places, such as amphitheaters and bathhouses, and in private homes. The Romans also invented spiral staircases, which saved space and were used in tall towers and forts. These spiral stairs were often narrow and steep, but very practical. During the Middle Ages, from about 500 to 1500 CE, stairs became important in castles and churches. Castles had narrow, winding staircases to make it hard for enemies to attack. These spiral stairs were often built clockwise, so defenders could use their swords more easily. In churches and cathedrals, grand staircases led to important areas, like altars or towers. Stairs in this period were often made of stone or wood and decorated with carvings. In the Renaissance, from the 1400s to 1600s, stairs became a symbol of beauty and power. Rich people built large houses and palaces with wide, elegant staircases. These stairs were made of marble or fine wood and had decorations like statues or paintings. Famous architects like Michelangelo designed grand staircases for places like the Laurentian Library in Italy. Stairs were no longer just for moving up and down. They showed wealth and style. The Industrial Revolution, starting in the 1700s, changed how stairs were made. New machines and materials, like iron and steel, made it easier to build strong, light staircases. Factories, train stations, and tall buildings needed stairs that were safe and quick to build. Wooden stairs were still common in homes, but metal stairs became popular in public places. This period also saw the invention of escalators in the late 1800s, which were like moving stairs powered by electricity. In the 20th century, stairs became even more modern. Architects used new materials like glass, concrete, and plastic to create unique designs. Skyscrapers, which were very tall buildings, needed many stairs for safety, especially in case of fires. Elevators became common, but stairs were still important. Designers also started thinking about making stairs easier to use for everyone, including people with disabilities. This led to rules about step size and handrails. Today, stairs are everywhere in homes, offices, schools, and public spaces. They come in many styles, from simple wooden steps to fancy spiral staircases. Modern stairs are designed to be safe, comfortable, and beautiful. Some famous stairs, like the Spanish steps in Rome or the staircase in the Eiffel Tower, are tourist attractions. Stairs are also used in exercise, with people climbing them to stay healthy. Stairs have cultural meaning, too. In many stories and movies, stairs represent change or a journey. Climbing stairs can mean working hard to reach a goal. In some cultures, stairs in temples or holy places are seen as a path to connect with gods. Stairs are simple but powerful symbols. The history of stairs shows how humans have solved problems and made life better. From piles of stones to modern designs, stairs have helped people reach new heights. They are a small but important part of our world, and their story is still being written as new designs and ideas appear.